Alright, so the cool thing about Kotlin is that by default, Kotlin variables are non-null references, which mean that you cannot assign it to null. So let's say we have, a val called name, and it's a string, and we try to make that equal to null. Yeah, Kotlin doesn't like that. It doesn't like that at all. It can't be assigned to a non-null type. And if you guys use Java, this was a big problem because sometimes, you would get something that holds a null and then eventually get a null pointer exception. So Kotlin's big thing is all about null safety. And this is why by default, they make their variables non-null references. So if you wanted to make anything null or any variable null, you have to let Kotlin know, okay, I really do want to make this variable null. So to do that, all you gotta do is add a question mark. Boom. The squiggly line of death disappears. And this question mark just lets Kotlin know, okay, name can hold null. As long as you know that you're sure. I mean, you told me by this question mark that you kind of know. But yeah, for sure, like this lets Kotlin know that it's okay. You can hold a null in this variable. So yeah, no safety.